Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. So just give me only 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Hope you will get many things from this video. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet baby dresses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all type of new videos notifications. Crocheting a baby dress is a rewarding and highly beneficial activity, not only for the creator but also for the recipient. Here are some benefits of crocheting a baby dress, covering aspects from creativity to practical considerations and emotional rewards. The first and the main one is personalized and unique gift. Crocheting a baby dress allows you to create a one-of-a-kind garments. You can select color, texture, and pattern that reflect the baby personality to match the theme of the nursery, making it a thoughtful and personal gift. Customization for fit. Unlike mass-produced clothing, a crocheted dress can be tailored to an exact measurement of the baby, ensuring a perfect fit. This customization helps avoid the common problem of garments that are either too loose or too tight. High quality materials. Crochet projects offer a flexibility to choose premium baby safe yarn like cotton, bamboo, or organic wool, which are gentle on sensitive skin. These materials are often more breathable and hypoallergenic compared to store-bought options. Development of fine motor skills. For the crafter, crocheting a baby dress enhances fine motor skills. The intricate hand movement involved in creating small stitches improve dexterity and hand-eye coordination, which is beneficial for individuals of all ages. Therapeutic benefits. The repetitive nature of crochet has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. It's a calming activity that promotes mindfulness, much like meditation, which can enhance overall mental health and well-being. Creativity and artistic expression. Crocheting a baby dress encourages creativity. The wide variety of stitches, patterns, and color combinations available allows crafters to express themselves, resulting in a highly personalized garment. Sustainable fashion. Handmade crochet garments are an eco-friendly alternative to mass-produced clothing by crocheting. By crocheting your baby dress, you are contributing to a reduction in textile waste and promoting sustainable fashion practices. Emotional fulfillment. The act of crocheting a garment for a new baby fosters a sense of accomplishment and emotional fulfillment. The process of making something special for a loved one or for one's own child can be deeply rewarding. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like. so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting, especially intricate design for a baby dress, require patience and attention to detail. As a slow, methodical craft, it teaches patience and precision, which can be valuable in other areas of life. Sense of connection. Crocheting for a baby can create a sense of emotional connection. The time and care spent on the project contribute to a bond with the child even before the garment. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching our video. Keep in touch with our channel for such type of more videos. Bye bye.